Welcome back. On to the much-awaited Sebi circular that was not announced in the board meeting, but then the decisions came in on Tuesday evening. There were 6 measures that were announced by the market regulator and mostly in line with what was proposed in the consultation paper a few months ago. The first one and the most important one being the limitations of the weekly expiry, and that will be limited to 1 benchmark per exchange, and that will take effect from the 20th of November of 2024, and that is expected to have the highest impact as well, because it will have an impact on NSE because it has 4 weekly expiries. BSE has 2 weekly expiries, so there will be an impact because of that. Now, IIFL Securities is expecting a 35 to 40% impact on the premium option premium turnover for NSE and 15 to 20% for BSE. And for FY26, their EPS is also likely to be hit by 15 to 20% on NSE's front and for 5 to 7% on BSE's front. We'll keep an eye out on any reaction in BSE. There is also a revision in the minimum contract size that was earlier set in 2015 and now has been revised from 5 to 10 lakh and now it's been revised to 15 to 20 lakh. That is another measure that has been announced. The lot size has also been hiked, which is now 2 to 3 times lower. Now it's almost 3 to 4x as proposed in the discussion paper. So that is another measure announced. And now there is an additional margin of 2% on short options contracts. That will also take effect from the 20th of November. And there has also been an upfront collections of options premium that has been announced, but that measure will take effect from the 1st of February of 2025. And the 6 intraday monitoring of position limits will also take place. So a lot of measures that have been announced by Sebi. Will keep an eye out on stocks like BSE, Angel One and all of these discount brokers in today's trading session. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Power Breakfast from me and the team that put this show together. Thank you so much for watching. Bazaar Morning Call sets you up for today's trade.